What's something people don't know about the ocean's depths? You need to watch this if you love a good mystery. Unexplained ocean sounds are waiting for you. Picture this, a tranquil ocean scene. Suddenly a deep, eerie sound pierces the calm. It's called the bloop, and no one really knows what makes it. Some say it's a massive sea creature, larger than anything we've ever seen. Others think it's an underwater machine churning away in the abyss. And then there's the upsweep, a haunting, rising sound that echoes through the depths. Could it be a giant squid? Or maybe, just maybe, something even stranger? As we plunge deeper, the darkness envelops us. The sounds grow louder, more mysterious. And then, silence. A shadow passes, leaving us with more questions than answers. What do you think is making these mysterious ocean sounds? Giant creatures, underwater machines, or something else? Comment your theory and share this video with a friend.